You must have seen the craze for learning code. But what exactly is coding? Coding is what makes it possible for us to create computer software, apps, and websites. Your browser, your OS, the apps on your phone, and Facebook, they're all made with code. There are dozens of coding languages. A few languages are all-purpose, but most serve a specific function. There are specialized languages that are great if you need something super specific, but all you really need to get started are a few common ones. Here is a simple example of code written in the Python language. If you don't know the first thing about coding, you've come to the right place. On this channel, I have put together a tutorial for beginners which will give you all the background information you need on coding and how you can become a coder.